Hey guys, welcome back to itsPriscillaMarie. Today I wanted to film for you guys a kind of unboxing-ish, kind of, not really, because I already filmed swatches and stuff for you guys of the new After Hours, I believe it's called, or After something. They all have After on it. So, Bad Habit collection, which has 4 eyeshadow palettes, which are kind of dupes of the Huda Beauty Obsessions collection. I am so excited for these palettes because this guy right here is $27 and this guy right here is $10 a piece, and ShopHush actually had a deal. If you buy 3 you get them for $30, so all 4 for $30 versus just 1 for $27, which I was so excited about. So I picked up all 4 of the eyeshadow palettes. So let's go ahead and jump into it. The first one is After Hours. I do absolutely love the packaging of them. It does come in the box, but the actual packaging is the exact same one. It's like a hard cardboard. I love that on the back side it actually has the names of the eyeshadows, and it does say distributed by Bad Habit, Los Angeles, and then it says it's cruelty free and made in PRC. Which this is what it looks like. So this is the After Hours eyeshadow palette. It is the more mauve tones eyeshadow palette. I actually really love that they all have cute names kind of matching the theme of the eyeshadow palette, not in necessarily like mauves, but it's kind of like the after hour kind of, just, I don't know, I think it's really cute how they came up with really cute and creative names. Now for all of these, while I was doing the swatches, I do feel like their mattes are a little bit more on the powdery side, but they are nice and creamy and pigmented. Again, I have not played with these on my eyeballs yet. I have used obviously the Huda Beauty one, but I'll wait till the end so I could kind of let you know a little bit more. But that is the After Hour eyeshadow palette. The next one is the After Party eyeshadow palette. Again, the packaging is super cute. It has the names of the eyeshadows on the back, and it also has the names on the bottom of each color, which is so cute. This is more of the smoky eye. If you love smoky eyes, this is a perfect palette for you. I love the size of these palettes. They're really cute. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about the Aftershock eyeshadow palette. This one's the one that I'm most excited about because it's so beautiful and colorful, and it's perfect for festival season. And the names are super cute. It has Drop, Plur. I love this. This one's just gives me life. The eyeshadows on this one are very nice and pigmented. I feel like the shimmers in this one are a little bit more creamy than the other palettes, but I really love how the colors swatch. They look so pretty. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about the After Dark. Now this one is supposed to be the dupe of this little guy from Huda Beauty. As you guys can tell, it is still quite a lot bigger than the Huda Beauty actual little palette, although it's supposed to be a dupe. I do wish ShopHush would have made a tiny bit smaller, but then again, I feel like what this lacks in, this one kind of gained in, because it does have obviously a bigger mirror, and it does have the name shades on the bottom of the palette versus this one does not. And it doesn't even have names for the actual eyeshadow palettes in the back either. And this one's actually made in China versus the other one, I believe it's made, I forgot, but I'll write it on something, which the quality is a little bit different than the Rose, Desert Dust and Rose Gold palette. But this one, again, is very pigmented. The colors are very pretty. The shades in this guy are very dead on similar. The swatches, you'll even be able to tell. They're very similar. They are not placed in the same exact area, but we all know that's what ShopHush does, because I do have plenty of their other wannabe Anastasia palettes. But yeah, I want you guys to go ahead and vote right up here which palette you want to see me do a makeup tutorial with first. So we could see which one you guys want to see first. Whichever one has the most votes, and second vote will be the order of me doing the video on makeup tutorials and more in-depth swatches and talking about each individual shade a little bit more. And with all of that being said, I did pick up an extra After Dark eyeshadow palette to give away to one of you guys for so much support in the last couple of months. I have officially been on YouTube for, yeah, I know it's been a while. I've been doing this for a really long time, guys, and it's very easy to get very, very discouraged. But I do have some of you guys that actually go to my store and follow me on Instagram and follow me on Facebook, and you guys are constantly reminding me why I actually do it. And it is for you guys who actually love watching my videos, and I actually do help some of you guys, which means a lot to me, that I'm not just doing this just for whatever. But yeah, I just really wanted to give something back to you guys, so I decided to go ahead and give you guys an After Dark eyeshadow palette. So all you have to do is, of course, be subscribed to this channel. I do want you guys to go ahead and go to my Instagram, and I want you guys to go ahead and leave a comment on this picture. And also go ahead and leave a comment down below. What's your favorite makeup tutorial that I've done recently? That is all you need to do. And of course, this is only, you need to be 18 or older or ask parents permission to enter. And this is only for the United States. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.
The world won't stop, so we won't stop neither. Gotta go sunlight, and we face them with no fear. And it's always on my